Are you ready to revolutionize your workshop? 2026 has officially arrived, and with it, a wave of genius woodworking tools that are changing the game for makers everywhere. From AI-integrated smart saws to laser precision joinery systems, these aren't just upgrades, they're total shop transformations. In today's video, we're counting down the top 20 must-have woodworking gadgets that just hit the market. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a weekend DIY warrior, these new tool releases will save you time, eliminate waste, and take your craftsmanship to a level you never thought possible. Let's dive in. Quick, effortless fastening can transform your DIY projects from slow and tiring to fast and precise. Presenting the Labfintom electric staple gun, a 3/8" electric staple gun for DeWalt 20-volt batteries, a T50 crown stapler, a 2-in-1 brad nailer and electric nail gun, 1,000 nails and staples, impact force adjustment, and a stapler for DIY built for smooth and efficient performance. It is necessary for users who want consistent results without manual effort, especially in repetitive tasks. The Cordless nail gun kit features a bottom-loading magazine and supports a wide range of fastening needs. Adjustable impact force allows precise depth control for different materials. It is used for upholstery, crafts, decorative trim, thin wood projects, and general home repairs with speed and accuracy. Fast, clean joinery starts with the right tool that saves time while delivering strong, professional results. Introducing the Kreg Quick-Flip, which enables the use of Kreg screws to create strong, simple joints by allowing you to drill a pilot hole and a counterbore in one step with a dual-action bit. It is necessary for woodworkers who want faster workflow and precise, repeatable results without switching tools. The system chucks into any drill and features a double-ended insert with a drill bit and counterbore on one side and a number 2 square drive on the other. Simply flip to drive the screw with ease and reduce slipping. It is used for face joining, corners, and creating strong, clean wood joints quickly. Perfect foamy finishes require consistent sanding power and precision that handheld tools often struggle to deliver. Meet the Grizzly open-ended drum sander, designed for precision and efficiency. Featuring a 5-inch diameter drum, a 2 1/4-inch sanding capacity, and an industrial-duty rubberized conveyor system for smooth material feeding. It is necessary for woodworkers who need fast, even sanding across wide boards while reducing manual effort and time. The open-ended design allows sanding up to 22 inches in one pass or 44 inches by flipping the workpiece, while the secure sandpaper connection ensures reliable operation. A 4-dust port keeps your workspace clean and efficient. It is used for smoothing, leveling, and finishing wood surfaces quickly with professional results. Working on projects becomes easier when you have stable support that keeps everything steady and accessible. Presenting the Kreg Multipurpose Project Blocks, an excellent solution for supporting, holding, and working on your projects anywhere. They are necessary for improving accuracy, comfort, and efficiency during woodworking and DIY tasks by elevating your workpiece above the surface. With retractable painting points, you can easily apply finishes without sticking or smudging, while GripMax surfaces keep both the blocks and your material firmly in place. These blocks also provide clearance for routing, sanding, clamping, and cutting tasks. They are used for creating a flexible workspace, improving access to edges, and ensuring clean, precise results in every project. Precision wood turning starts with a compact machine that delivers control, stability, and smooth performance. The Grizzly Benchtop wood lathe offers the precision and control that turners demand, all in a convenient size, making it essential for hobbyists and professionals working in limited spaces. Built with durable cast-iron construction, it features an 8-inch swing over the bed and a 13-inch distance between centers for versatile projects. The included 5 3/4-inch face faceplate and interchangeable 4 1/4 inch and 7-inch tool rests provide solid support, while the tailstock with taper and cam action clamping ensures easy positioning. With variable speed from 750 to 3,200 revolutions per minute and ergonomic knurled knobs, it is used for shaping, carving, and turning wood pieces with accuracy and control. Fast, accurate drilling starts with a bit designed to cut cleaner, faster, and with less effort. Introducing the Sutton Tools XP Bullet range, where innovation meets performance, designed by engineers for demanding drilling tasks. It is necessary for professionals who need speed, precision, and efficiency, especially when working with cordless tools. Featuring an extreme parabolic flute, it ensures rapid chip ejection for faster drilling, while the self-centering precision split point delivers accurate hole placement every time. Made from premium European high-speed steel, it offers durability and long-lasting performance. It is used for drilling clean, precise holes in various materials with reduced pressure and improved efficiency. Clean, precise cutting becomes effortless when you have blades designed for accuracy and reach. Introducing the Amzwei Curved Edge Multitool Blade Set, featuring 30 extra-long bimetal oscillating tool blades designed for metal cutting, along with curved edge multi-tool blades suitable for wood with nails, wood, and plastic, and compatible with DeWalt, Milwaukee, Bosch, Worx, and Ryobi. It is necessary for users who need efficient cutting in tight or hard-to-reach spaces, thanks to the extra long cutting depth and 2 times the cutting efficiency. The innovative curved edge design improves stability and accuracy, while length markings ensure precise results. Built with long-lasting bimetal teeth, these blades handle tough materials with ease. They are used for fast, detailed cutting in wood, plastic, and soft metal across various projects. Powerful, precise cutting becomes effortless when you have a compact tool built for speed and control. Meet the Heimerdinger cordless circular saw, designed for compatibility with Makita 18-volt batteries, featuring a 20mm arbor and a maximum cutting depth of 1 7/10 inches, making it perfect for a variety of cutting tasks. It is necessary for DIY users and woodworkers who need portability without sacrificing power. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor mini circular saw delivering 0 to 6,500 per minute no-load speed, it ensures a longer runtime and efficient performance. The adjustable cutting depth and 0° to 45° angle settings provide flexibility for different materials. With an ergonomic and safety design including a double protection switch, it is used for cutting wood, plastic, tile, and light materials with precision and ease. Keeping your tools razor sharp is the secret to clean, precise woodworking results. Presenting the blue Spruce Toolworks leather paddle Strop, crafted to prolong the interval between sharpenings, featuring a premium cowhide leather strap infused with a chromium oxide compound for quick edge maintenance. It is necessary for woodworkers who want to maintain peak sharpness without frequent full sharpening sessions. Simply apply the compound and pull the blade across the leather to polish and refine the edge while removing burrs. This process preserves the factory-finished surface and enhances cutting performance. It is used for maintaining and polishing chisels and other edge tools, ensuring smoother cuts, better control, and longer-lasting sharpness in every project. Clean, accurate cuts become much easier when you have a compact system built for control and convenience. Introducing the Dremel Blueprint Saw Station, a 12-volt brushless compact circular saw and multi-purpose cutting case designed for effortless cutting across DIY projects. It is necessary for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who need precision without bulky equipment, especially in small spaces. This portable saw station handles miter, bevel, straight, and rip cuts with ease, while the integrated alignment laser helps you see cuts clearly for better accuracy. With all-inclusive support like cutting guides, clamps, and material supports, plus rechargeable power and 5,000 RPM performance, it is used for cutting trim, vinyl flooring, and common materials efficiently and accurately. Clean edges make every project stand out. Precision starts with the right tool. Introducing the Teeno wood router, a powerful 6.5 amp, 1.25 horsepower tool designed for woodworking, featuring an 800-watt hand router and a compact edge trimmer that operates at 31,000 revolutions per minute, complete with a 15 1/4-inch router bit set for exceptional precision and performance. High accuracy comes from the transparent base and dust cover, giving clear visibility and control during cutting. The ergonomic design ensures a stable grip and easy depth adjustment for smooth operation. Its wide application makes it ideal for edging, grooving, trimming, and detailed woodworking, perfect for shaping, finishing, and creating clean, professional wood designs. Rough surfaces can ruin a great project. Smooth them out with control and power. Meet the Maxxt Electric Random Orbital Sander, a brushless 350-watt, 3-amp palm sander, a multifunction variable-speed electric corded orbital sander machine with a 6-inch sanding pad and 10 sanding papers for woodworking, built for precision finishing. Customizable speed control for precision lets you switch between throttle-based adjustment and 6 fixed speed levels for different tasks. Enhanced performance with an EC motor ensures steady power, low vibration, and a longer lifespan. Instant pad braking for safety adds control during high-speed work. The ergonomic and user-friendly design supports 1 or 2-hand use with comfort, perfect for smoothing wood, removing paint, and achieving clean professional finishes. Strong, steady clamping changes woodworking accuracy and prevents costly mistakes in every project. The Bessey EHK Trigger Clamp. Set for woodworking, carpentry, home improvement, DIY projects, and more, is designed for reliable workshop performance. Versatile 2-in-1 clamp and spreader handles cabinetry and repairs with quick conversion using a single button. Soft-touch jaw pads protect surfaces and hold materials without marks. Ideal for finished wood. A cold-drawn steel bar delivers up to 600 pounds of clamping force for lasting strength. An ergonomic one-handed trigger handle ensures fast, controlled tightening with minimal effort for woodworking, carpentry, and DIY tasks. Perfect for precise and efficient daily work. 14. Every home needs a reliable drill that's ready when quick fixes turn into real tasks. Introducing the Avid Power Drill Kit, a cordless drill set with a battery and charger, 2 variable speeds, a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, 19 positions, and 22 pieces of bits, designed for everyday home projects like assembling furniture, hanging pictures, and basic repairs. Not intended for heavy construction, concrete, or professional use. With 2 speeds and 18+1 torque settings for control, it handles both precise screwdriving and faster drilling with ease. A durable battery and LED work light keep you going in low-light areas. The lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfort, while the complete starter kit with 22 accessories makes it ready for any DIY job. A solid workspace can turn any job into a smoother, faster, and more precise task. Presenting the Oncupid folding work table, which boasts a capacity of 1,000 pounds. A heavy-duty design measuring 34 inches wide by 25 inches deep by 31 inches high. Easy assembly, lightweight construction, and a versatile clamping workbench suitable for garage, workshop, woodworking, and outdoor tasks. Quick setup and folding. Less than 3 seconds make it instantly ready when needed. The compact and portable design, at just 23.3 pounds, makes transport effortless. Versatile applications in multiple scenarios provide flexibility for DIY or professional work. Built sturdy and durable, it handles heavy loads with ease. The versatile clamping system with bench dog holes and grooves ensures secure holding, making it perfect for cutting, assembling, and workshop tasks anywhere. Accurate measurements make the difference between a perfect fit and wasted effort. Introducing the Mr. Pen-Retractable tape measure, an easy-read steel retractable measuring tape with fractions, ideal for construction and DIY projects, and built for reliability and everyday use. Mr. Pen's tape measure is an essential tool for anyone, from homeowners and interior designers to professional handymen, carpenters, metalworkers, woodworkers, and architects. Its shock-absorbent rubberized casing ensures durability, while the 25-foot blade includes clear metric and imperial markings for precise results. The hook slot grips nails or screws securely, and the thumb lock keeps measurements steady. A convenient belt clip keeps it within reach, making it perfect for measuring, layout, and project planning. Clean, precise layout lines are the foundation of flawless woodworking. Meet the Ruitool marking knife, a long neck, thin blade scribing tool with dual grooves for woodworking. A high-carbon steel double-beveled blade for precision wood carving and left or right-hand use, designed for accuracy where pencils fall short. The long neck design reaches deep into tight joints for detailed marking, while the dual groove handle improves grip and reduces fatigue. Its double-edged flexibility allows smooth scribing in any direction, ideal for both left and right-handed users. Crafted with a one-piece high-carbon blade, it delivers sharp, reliable cuts. The ergonomic anti-roll handle adds control, making it perfect for layout work, joinery, and fine woodworking precision tasks. Smooth, glass-like wood surfaces start with the right-hand tools. Meet the Suizan Kanna Wood Planer, a 1.7-inch professional small hand-block plane woodworking tool. It delivers precision and control for fine finishing work. This high-quality Japanese plane creates flat, clean surfaces so smooth that sanding often becomes unnecessary. Designed with a traditional pull motion, it lets you feel the Japanese culture, offering better control and refined results compared to push-style planes. Made in Japan, it reflects expert craftsmanship from a region known for its tool-making heritage. Compact yet powerful, it's essential for trimming, smoothing, and fine-tuning wood surfaces, making it ideal for detailed woodworking, joinery, and finishing tasks. Fast, clean fastening makes every project easier and more professional. Presenting the Worx Nitro Cordless Crown Stapler, a 20-volt power share, a 3/8-inch cordless crown stapler with air impact technology, which provides exceptional performance without the inconvenience of cords. Built with the power to outperform, it offers strong, consistent results for demanding tasks. The 2-in-1 design handles crown staples from 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch, and brad nails at 19/32 inch. With high-efficiency air impact technology, it fires up to 80 shots per minute and 2,000 per charge. Share batteries, save money with Worx power share compatibility. Features like tool-free depth adjustment, easy view magazine window, grip zone comfort, and quick load magazine make it ideal for upholstery, trim work, and DIY projects. Clean cuts and sharp details start with tools you can trust. The Work Pro Wood Chisel, set for woodworking, CRV bevel edge, chisels with sharpening stone, honing guide, carpenter pencils, and storage case is built for precision and durability. This premium wood chisel set for woodworking includes 6 bevel edge chisels made from durable CRV steel with a 28-degree edge, perfect for carving, cabinet work, and fine detailing. The professional sharpening kit with a double-sided stone and honing guide keeps edges razor sharp. Ergonomic non-slip handles with strike caps reduce fatigue and improve control. With organized storage and blade protection and a complete DIY woodworking toolkit, it's ideal for accurately cutting, shaping, and finishing wood projects. That wraps up our list of the 20 best woodworking tools of 2026. Which of these innovative shop tools are you adding to your wish list first? Let me know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts on the latest power tool tech. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more woodworking project ideas and honest tool reviews. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a shop update. Thanks for watching and keep building.